Managing a rental property in Austin might seem simple, but the real challenge lies in the day-to-day responsibilities, legal complexities, and ever-changing market. Let's explore why partnering with a property manager isn't just helpful, it's a smart investment. Vacant properties lose money fast. An experienced property manager markets your home effectively and screens tenants thoroughly, checking credit, background, rental history, and income so you get quality renters who stay longer and pay on time. No more awkward follow-ups or missed payments. Property managers enforce rent policies and use automated tools to keep income predictable and rent on time. From routine inspections to emergency repairs, your property manager coordinates trusted vendors to maintain the home's condition and protect its long-term value, all while keeping tenants happy. Texas rental laws are strict and constantly evolving. A property manager ensures compliance with leases, security deposits, eviction notices, and fair housing regulations, protecting you from costly mistakes and liability. Instead of juggling calls, repairs, and paperwork, let a professional manager handle the daily grind, so you can focus on growing your investment and enjoying your time. Ready to make property management effortless? Visit propertymanagementaustin.com or call us today. Let's take the stress out of rentals and help you earn more with less effort.